Excuse me, are you the conductor of this plane?
No, I'm the flight attendant.
You're the flight attendant?
Flight attendant.
Yes, there's something I want to tell you because last time I got into this plane, you guys gave me food that was not cooked.
Okay.
Salad and vegetable.
Okay.
You expect me to be eating salad and vegetable like rabbit? No. Listen to me. I want you to go and tell the driver of this plane.
There's no driver, it's a pilot.
Driver or pilot or whatever you call him. Tell him that the next stop, when he gets to the next stop, I want to stop at Umunede or when I stop there, then I'm going to get myself the kind of food that I want to eat. I want to eat midair. I want to eat goosey soup and onubu soup. Okay? So when you get to the next stop, you stop so that I can go down and then eat what I want to eat.
Sorry, sir, we're going to Toronto only.
So you're going to Toronto, so you can't stop on the road?
No, there's no stopping. We're in the air.
You're in the air?
Yeah, we're not on the street.
So the plane cannot stop. I buy what I want to buy and the plane can continue?
No, the plane just goes to the Toronto. Everybody's going to Toronto.
So if I want to piss now, how do I piss?
There's a washroom in there.
Oh, you have a washroom here?
Yeah, I can show you where it is.
Okay, so but you guys don't have a goosey soup and onubu soup and midair in the plane, eh?
No, we just have what we have.
What you have?
Sandwiches and things of that sort.
Oh my God, really?
That's
Okay,
it.
so go and tell the pilot, okay, when I get to the Toronto, then I can eat what I want to eat, right?
Yes,
so
exactly.
So you cannot stop at Umunede and you cannot stop at Ore.
We can't stop till we get to Toronto.
Okay, thank you very much.